So it's like 5:30 in the morning. I'm on my way back from Pretoria, and I see my petrol tank is empty. Literally, it's on 0 kilometers, so I really hope I make it. In any case, I was thinking about this thought that what would happen if we stare into the mirror for 30 minutes? What would the mirror reveal to us? What would the mirror tell us about ourselves, about our core, about our humanity? And I think because sometimes we don't even like what we see in the mirror, but which we don't like, we want to give to someone else, and we expect them to love that. The monster that we've created inside of ourselves, we want to give to someone else, and we hope that they love that. And I think we find our identities in things like what we have, where we work, what we drive, where we stay. And I love the story about Jesus where he goes into the desert and God just affirms to him who he is when he says to him that you are my son in whom I am well pleased. And then he affirms that identity, and then he goes into the desert and he faces Satan head on, straight up. Now what I've come to realize is that we don't even like what we see in the mirror, but we want to give that to someone else. What if we could find our identity in the right things? What if we could find our identity in our true humanity? What if we had the courage to risk everything to find the person God intended for us to be, and that person we give to someone else? Isn't that fair? Isn't that what greatness looks like? Isn't that what's good? Isn't that what's beautiful? Isn't that what is true? So maybe we should stare into the mirror and find our true identities and what God calls us to be, and then that person we give in love and in generosity and in kindness and in beauty and in honor to someone else.